Hello, and welcome to 3 Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today we're going to continue in our construction series, and we're going to talk about head boxes. So a head box is a product where you mount your shade inside of a head box and mount that up into a ceiling. So as you can see here, we've got a hidden roller shade system. It's a dual system mounted up inside of the ceiling, where when the shades go up, they go completely up, and the head rail goes up inside the ceiling. So this is a standard head box system. They come in multiple sizes. So as you can see here, the nice little display, they come in a 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, different head rail sizes that you can put the head box up and mount your shades depending on how big your shades are. Now, what you typically have is the actual U-shaped head box system, and then you have your access flap, little paddle that and sticks underneath here, hangs in, and then closure so that everything is concealed up, and you just have this slot in the bottom for the fabric to roll out. So this is a standard series. This is from Blindspace, their S Series. Comes in a few different sizes. Now they do have a couple of other options. So again, this is all pre-construction or remodels construction. This is another head box system, but here we have drywall mud flanges. So your drywall will come down to the side here, hangs down there, and then when you mud it in the ceiling, which is again what they have up here. So if we look up here, here's your flap, here's your mud ring, and then they just mud wall it in, and it looks very clean and hardly noticeable at all. And you still are going to use your access flap. Now, what's really unique about the way that they've done their access flaps is that they drop from the bottom instead of going from the top end. So what's nice about this is as we snap this in place, it holds it in place. But typically when you need to access this, you have to push this up and drop it and take the whole thing down. They've created a cantilever system where now I can just have this hang, get up inside of the box and work on it without having to take this down. So if you've got 15, 20 feet wide, now this hangs down so that you can just quickly snap it in place. That's a really nice option to have. Now, another nice thing that they have with this system is that if you are a Lutron and you're doing Lutron shades, they make a head box built for Lutron systems. They make their own slip-in bracket. This is a great little option that you can have here. This just takes in, slides into place, and no matter where you are, you can pivot it and put it where you want. And then you can take your actual Lutron bracket and it hangs in place inside of there and then snaps down. So everything is built right inside their head box. This is a phenomenal thing if you're into Lutron shades. Great, easy option where these can pivot in or out no matter where you want to put them. Now, the other great thing they have in their standard S Series is that they have in-wall pocket side for side pockets and side tracks. So when you have a shade come down, you can have your track go inside of a wall system here, and your fabric lays inside of the track system, gets rid of your light gaps, get rid of your privacy gaps, and makes it super clean and super dark. So instead of having a track that projects into the window, when you're doing the construction series, it's built inside of the wall. Again, you have the flaps that open up so you can access it when you need to if you have to do any repairs or fix anything, and then you just snap your track back in place and you're all set up. So again, this is the S Series from Blindspace. This is a great product for those that are looking into concealing all of their roller shades in their projects. So if you'd like more information about this or to find out more about any of our other great products, please visit us at 3blindmiceusa.com. And if you stick around, we're going to show you some videos on some of their other options that they have.